Hey guys, this is Kashish Panchal aka the Cozy Chick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I have created this beautiful makeup look which is giving me a complete sunset vibes. So this is basically a soft glam makeup look which you can go do it, if you want to go out for a wedding, especially like this would look so good in weddings. So yeah, I mean it's a very nice and soft and dewy look and I won't be पकाओफाइंग यू मोर क्योंकि मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन ही काफ़ी लंबा हो जाता है. सो दैट्स आई एम जस्ट गोना कीप इट शॉर्ट. मेक श्योर यू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो. इफ यू आर न्यू देन मेक श्योर you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, The Cozy Chick. We are so close to reaching 20,000 followers on Instagram and we have officially crossed 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is the only thing which will motivate me to create more and more content for y'all. So yeah, keep supporting me. I love you all so much. And yeah, without blabbering much, let's get into this video. I have just used my face wash and now I'm gonna jump on with my skincare routine. I'm using my favorite toner from Dermafique. This is a new toner that I've purchased and I'm loving it a lot. It's so refreshing and I love it. So I just apply it on my hands and then pat it all around my face. So while this is wet, I apply Hyaluronic Serum. So for that I'm gonna use I'm gonna use the Hyaluronic Serum from Minimalist. If you want to know in depth my skincare routine, you can check out the video. And yeah, ये ख़त्म हो गया है, so I'll have to like do this so that कुछ तो निकले इसमें से. ये निकल रहा है. I have ordered a different Hyaluronic Serum from Try Moody, so I'm waiting for that to come as soon as possible so that I can use it. Now comes my favorite part. I'm using the Minimalist facial oil. Love this so much and also I've been using this for a long time. Every night I use it. I just take like 3 to 4 drops and then I pat it on my face. This gives a wonderful glow on the face. After facial oil, I'm using some moisturizer. This is from Dot & Key. It's their Ceramide moisturizer. Again, great for dry and sensitive skin type. So I'm just gonna apply some moisturizer to make my skin more moisturized and glowy. I chopped my hair I think 6 months back and within 6 months it has grown quite a lot. Like I was not even able to get a ponytail in my hair 6 months back and now I can make a pony. So yeah, my hair is growing pretty fast. Touch wood. I'm gonna use some pore primer. This is from Pack Cosmetics and we're gonna apply it only on those areas where I have huge pores, which is my nose. Also, I think that the lighting will change. Like constantly I'm sitting in front of natural sunlight and बारिश आने वाली है कि नहीं आने वाली कोई श्योरिटी है नहीं क्योंकि 2-3 दिन से इंस्टाग्राम पे सब लोग स्टोरीज डाल रहे हैं बारिश की and I'm just waiting when will it rain over here. I stay in Thane and it's not raining and people are getting cyclones and everything in Mumbai and यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Now in order to get that really dewy finish on their face, the models like Victoria's Secret models, they always use like a very hydrating dewy foundation which is very skin like, but I don't have a very dewy foundation. I have like matte foundation, so instead of that I'm gonna use my all-time favorite BB cream. This is from Note Cosmetics. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this one BB cream. It works as a foundation only. It's very lightweight and it's just a great BB cream. We want to go for that natural look, dewy natural finish. So for that you gotta use the least amount of product. Time for some concealer. Using the only favorite concealer that I have, I don't like collecting a lot of product. Like if I know that I have a concealer already, I don't prefer buying another concealer from a different brand. Like I'm not a makeup hoarder. I prefer like using one product completely, get done with it, and then jump on to a different product. Also guys, Rare Beauty is launching in India. I don't know if this video will be up before the launch or not, but I am so excited. Can't wait to get my hands on their product, especially the cream blush and the foundation. I want to purchase both of them. Let's see the price, what is the price, and then we will buy it, because your girl doesn't have a lot of budget. So I'm just gonna stick to like 2 products, and then I'll review them for you. I'm gonna use my Sugar Face Forward contour stick in the shade Fawn first, and I'm just gonna contour my face. When I started my makeup journey, I had no idea how to use like a cream contour, but still I used to do it, and confidently I used to go out wearing a very ugly contour. And I don't know from where I used to get that confidence, but then I used to go out like बिंदास, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता था मुझे. मेरा पूरा contour इतना patchy था, but still मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. I used to feel that I am looking amazing. My contour is on point, but it was not on point at all. Also, the launch of Rare Beauty was done by Panchal, and to be honest, I was so happy. And also I've got these questions many times that whether me and Brunal are like relatives or something, and the answer is yes. Now even I didn't knew that we were relative. Even I think even she doesn't know that we are relatives, but yeah, we are. So her house is in Vapi, and my Nana Nani, even they have their house in Vapi, and somehow like we have like a relation. But yeah, I mean we both don't know each other. Like I've never met her, but we are like distant relatives. Time for some blush. I'm gonna use the K Beauty blush in the shade Sweetheart Pink. Even this blush is so amazing. I've been using this for quite some time now. I think for about a year. It's been a year since I've been using this blush, and ये खत्म ही नहीं होता है. मतलब इसके अंदर और कितना प्रोडक्ट भरा पड़ा है मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है. ये खत्म होता ही नहीं है कभी प्रोडक्ट. और ये ब्लश भी बहुत अच्छा है. जस्ट टू गुड, टू गुड. Once I'm done with my entire cream products, I just take my beauty sponge and just dab it all around my face to remove any kind of excess product. All-time favorite compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. I know I always use just this powder, but it's something that I love. And I'm just gonna apply the compact powder under my eyes where I've applied my concealer. I'm not gonna apply it around my cheeks or any of the areas. So I'm just gonna apply it around my eyes, and whatever is left on my puff, I'll apply it around my mouth because I sweat a lot in this area. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use this particular palette. This is from UCANBE. Such a beautiful palette. Like it has all of these neutral shades in it. Then it has these colors, so there's like highlighter, blush, bronzer, some shimmers, and then there are these beautiful colorful shades. I mean, what else do you need? Like you've got an entire book over here. And I purchased this from a shop, so it is not online that I've purchased it. You can buy this from their website, I guess. UCANBE. And yeah, look at this, it's a beautiful book. First, I've dipped my brush in this beautiful transition shade. I don't know why it's looking so orange on camera, but it is a little bit more towards brown side. So I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna go for like a halo eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna focus more on the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner. As you can see, I'm not covering my entire eyelid. I'm just focusing at the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna focus at the inner corner of my eye like this. So as you can see, I've kept this space empty because we will be applying some glitter over there. I'm using like a pink tone shade and applying it again at the outer corner and inner corner of my eye, just like this, blending everything. Again, I'm not going all the way, so just over here and this still over here. I'm keeping this entire part empty. I'm taking this beautiful pink metallic shade and I'm gonna apply it over here at the middle part of my eye. I'm gonna add one more this particular glitter shade because it's looking more sparkly. So just gonna add that as well. Alright, I'm done with both of my eyes and now I'm gonna apply some nice fluttery mascara. In soft glam looks, they usually apply like a gloss, so even I thought that I'll just use a gloss. First, I'm gonna use this Milagro Beauty makeup pen. It is a wonderful pen which gives, you know, lipstick, eyebrow, eyeliner, highlighter. So I'm gonna use their lipstick shade. I really love their lipstick shade, and also it's very precise, so works great for lip liners. I'm using my favorite Tyciie lip gloss in the shade Black Cherry. Now I'm going in my hair and guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll meet you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.